Today, I'm gonna show you how you can make this beautiful paper flower. To do this, we're gonna need a green paper, yellow paper, red paper, a sketch pen, scissor, and glue. First take the green paper and cut a piece from it, then make a stick by rolling it. Now, take the red paper and make a flower from it. After that, cut a small piece of yellow paper and color its edge with the sketch pen. Now, take the scissor and shred it till the edge. Then, take another small piece of yellow paper and make a small stick from it. And then, glue the shredded paper on the stick. After that, put the yellow stick inside the green stick you've made earlier, and then glue it. Then, take the flower and glue it beneath the yellow stick. Now, take the green paper and make a leaf by folding it as shown in the video, then take another small piece of green paper and make the bone of that leaf. Now make another leaf and start gluing them both to the stick. And congratulations, you have successfully made this beautiful flower. If you like this video, then consider subscribing to this channel. And just like this, I'll be seeing you in the next video.